Okay, so this is a lime zester for grating the zest off limes. It's a good size. And this is the Mark Twain Conklin Crescent Filler fountain pen. Why are they here in the same room together? Because they've actually got a lot in common, and I am keeping this one but sending this one back to where I got it from. This is the Mark Twain Conklin Crescent Filler. It comes in a beautiful box, a beautiful sleeve that's very much in the design of the times. You can't fault the packaging. I think it's really nice. It looks like a museum piece or a mad inventor. It comes in this beautiful Conklin box. It's kind of like a fake leather. It's embossed. It's got gold on it. It's pretty nice. And here's the pen. Now the pen actually looks beautiful. Can't fault it. And I don't mind a crescent filler. I've got a couple of vintage crescent fillers. What have these two got in common? Why am I here? This feels exactly like this. So if I run my nails over it, I don't know if you can hear it. So this, when you look at it on any of the videos or TikTok reviews, it looks like the typical pattern seen in vintage black hard chase rubber pens. And of course, Conklin did quite a few of those. It's got a beautiful nib. I got this in a stub. Let me see, I got this in got this in a stub nib. It's gorgeous. I haven't tried writing with it. I can't bear the feel of it. It just feels like writing with a grater. It's a beautiful pen. It's got rose gold finishes. The cap goes on really securely. It fits firmly. I don't know if it posts beautifully, but I'll give you a close up. I can't bear this pen, so I'm going to be sending it back. Shame. It's magnificent, absolutely magnificent to look at. And I love crescent fillers. I think they're so novel, bit fiddly, but so novel. I really like it. This is out of my kitchen drawer. It's a lime zester. This is my Parker Lucky Curve from around, I think it's 1906, that sort of vintage, beautiful fountain pen. This is black hard chase rubber, and it's very smooth. Hear that? No noise. Lovely. Beautiful to write with. This is a new pen that I got, a Conklin Mark Twain Crescent Filler fountain pen. Comes in this beautiful box. This is the pen. Now these look fairly similar. You can see the rippled pattern. This one's quite a lot older. This is brand new. This is over 100 years old. So I think you'll pick up the rippled pattern. This one, smooth. This one, I don't know if you can hear it. It's really unpleasant. It's like the grater. Not good, not great. It's a beautiful nib. It's an absolutely beautiful pen. But I don't know, some of us are a bit more sensitive to different textures, tastes or sounds. I really cannot bear the feel of this. So I would have to write with it holding the nib right down here. I can't, I'm gonna get ink all over my hands. So to write properly, I'd have to write here, and it kind of sticks to your hand, the grittiness. So unfortunately, this beautiful pen, which I absolutely adore the look of, it's kind of giving me that someone squeezing lemon juice into my mouth kind of feeling. I just don't like it. This and this are too similar. So sorry, Conklin, beautiful pen, not for me.